94.7 Asempa FM so ne yakosi san dwumadi no asugu so a utie no ma ye na munyina asem atwen ye ma yakọ asan so aba bia o make say ade a honorable Clayton Taylor be our studio hello amanya krobo member of parliament no on the ticket of the NDC Samson a former MP Lejokoko former deputy health minister Dr. Bernard Okoboy and so studio ha and International Youth Day, as many of you may be aware. Enra yene acting CEO of the National Youth Authority in Komoma Oboyemu and some of the activities are on my line up to celebrate this very important day. And he explains in Ghana per yen laws and they are youth bracket near from 15 to 35, yes, 15 to 35. But of course, Ose, that's a monamra shebedum. A state of the mind.
A state of the mind. You fool a state of the mind. Oh, baby, no more who be out 30 years. I who know because 90 years.
1 year more than 40 years or 2 years for you are now a giant.
Now a giant, I show.
And then Dominic Munina, I don't want to.
Jackson need to moon.
Jackson need to Branton and
Branton to say,
yeah, my senior colleague or Casa, we are on 2 years. We are not just showing my youth.
Branton to say,
but a very special occasion, of course. In the bracket under 44, no, Dr. Okoboy, honorable the Obru 40.
When you're 40, you know, 40.
No, under 40.
Under 40.
My goodness. No. He's 40.
Okay, next week, your best certificate, remember.
In the under 44, in special day, Doc, we youthful. Into maybe I'll start with you. We are now honorable to be Atoswama. Yes, now we're 2 How special, significant is this day for Dr. Okoboy?
Obi, first of all, no, Maminda Nyankoponasi say na dom no dos. Ama yenyina ye wa honi ewie na Minda Nyankoponasi say wa ma adom no so ados bebre wo ya papa president so we share at the age of about 77
yes.
Na in fact we share ankeka ni awondin ni chese ni driver obi me can say me drew even 50 crown 60 na me were president ankeka na de bia asida na no Nyankopon na bibia etisa no esro na free enti de asida ma Nyankopon enye oman bia no wanya ne sa oman bi wo ha president 60 crown onya na nso onye that active enti de Nyankopon ase na me take the opportunity so na me nchia me senior telabi me bompa say time obenya 70 no na say onya president ndi dia ma ya obetina lo amanya na your problem on cry na afre no na watu obi micha way birthday Anthony Abe Fakabu.
Oh, okay.
Laura GZ.
Oh, okay.
Me brother.
Former deputy road and highways minister.
Exactly. In fact, very nice guy. Now that me call the constituency and I'm who say Ghana. Krono super enemu ware.
Laura.
Obi ebimu ebimachi. We are Michiano. And our brother na bi nso.
Oh, okay.
Youth commander.
Yes.
And na bi there. Say o shia sami jefini and this youth commander na say
George Opariado.
Pablo. Aha, shomsa I don't say your commander ni na vim naba enti Pablo Sumichiano and Michia Honorable Samuel Abujinapo.
Yes.
Under 40s now, Omobo Jumapa no or count into a way Yankupon Eda Nasimano or Mano wisdom any a lot of insight. Na Jumana or Yeno on ye na Obia who say Mbemu Udi or Reposi. Confidence
me
could you upon
Kroma another under 40.
In fact, also under 40. Yeah, very proud.
Sami Ukuso under 40, right?
Saminso.
Yeah.
Sami, my name says Sami.
No, Sami
is just around the either 40.
Sami should be 3839.
Yes.
38-39.
Yes, nti Sami so ye. If Sami qualify anka we anka honorable otuyefu we anka Sami mu na be ba. Is it na dey dia ile mo bia aga ba obi. Ye kasa kaka na dey be mu say ye tu gofo. Amba nisi amba. Obi enti mi kapo Sami mi catch obi say Sami akọ lottery si. Ngofo bebre be wini. Utwa be wini.
Yeah.
Na
o make your council.
Yes, and secondly no Sami be my hono omo niama na akoni ama obia president anya ne hunije. Enti obi ene de youth no ye salute omo ba indis muso a ya brother Samuel
Okujeto Blackwise under 40
senior opsec.
Yes.
Ti mami chano na ono so obomodin ono so ma youth no ye di kofa ohwa mia me brother lawyer Sami Jemfi ono so bomodin be ya mekoni propaganda no ya bebre na minim se o ko enim no law no be bebre na wa ma we mafia no asem kakra at least e be say Pablo de no kra and Chief Bini.
Yes.
Honestly, because our sister no, me church amita bonidi
ka.
Bonidi say no.
But Chief, you know ye over 40 young.
But say the body no say yes you. Into no say machana body paint. Na ni fie dia ko ni pa obi. Enti ewie obi. There wo honey say. Usha the word youth no. One of the things you find in youth energy. It's synonymous to Obia oye very occupy a lot of energy. Now energy no uye physics it must always be in some form or some shape and can only move from one shape or form to the other. And to me that was so if you turn a turbine, kinetic energy would move into either electrical or some thrust or Now once youth has energy no, you have to harness that energy. It can be for bad or for good. If you don't find it for a good purpose, automatically it can incline towards the bad purpose. Now, youthful energy na translating into that pure words. Dictionary na proven I can say the devil finds work
for the idle hands.
Now, me can't way I'm better me say enunti na ejuma employment. Say obe pay bibia obi energy no be shame no very very important. Meaning say Nyankopon don because yanya peaceful stable environment in this country over the years aban bia bomodin say obey bibi na I find the harness this energy na me can we know there have been 2 key programs under this government emma mini g aban no ho a ochine bi say aban bi so here still mini be gi no ho in fact this aban betwem no why be in some shape but we share the magnitude send away sooner emma mini jipa ba ko napco program no Obi, Nation Builders Corps, one policy I introduced at a go, it absorbed over 90,000 youth. Obi, easy. Now, youth we are making is the most desperate and, in fact, what's the word? Obi, I'm mobile. I said the most, in fact, what's the word? The most sorrowful person you can meet. Obi, you're training, not doing any skill to the tertiary level. Obi, why are idle because of in fact, it is very sorrowful. Now, Sebi, you won't call SS. Na Sebi, who be sent for BBD, and now you Juma Parker. Sebi, and who cry, only Panuka, say, Miss Skills and Dosu. But Nipa be a work nursing, and I be a work school training as a scientist, biomedical scientist, and I be, I don't know how to mix medicines. I only Juma Obi, and yes, San up Kono. Meaning, say ampa obinya 700 a month. But obi 700 a month to me dressy free fee ekoba. Now me what if I share my life so me I've done all kinds of jobs. And to me the metis obi to me free fee kwa and no cry is good news. Because obi enye ejuma bia na udidi wo only will pay on paper. Customer tips, only say restaurants tips. It's more than even their salary. Almost every restaurant. Now restaurant obi about 5 cedi, 10 cedi, 5 cedi. I don't know amount omo bo ano. It's me baby. Enti obi today I World Youth Day no adi bakwa ye challenge youth ye di to aban bia we are saying him say harness the energy of the youth by creating opportunities. Now apart from NAPCO no we share this 1D 1FA adi e cost obi ebe boama youth no ye energy no be harnessed in a very nice way. Now say president call bono starch factory bi ohini bi o kasa no o see all the life ni dream ni say obenya industry bi won krom ankora no youth no sorry a
o menya baby akọ
and o can be very powerful say when they get engaged their vices will go down boni be den be ko obi enye boni bia na ye botaye abia ana obi a o se bi ope boni aye o se come do pa na oni so briwa one sha sebi obi jamwa ana obi kraman ana obi goat one sha na wakofa na enu say I am justifying theft but obi say e come adu paya because those days in school there are days instead of learning no now we calculate say 2-3 days time no then obedi so hunger itself can cause you to think of unconventional ways of surviving and no can lead to theft and today aban we me encourage you this one if you be turn also kasa preku wako be another factory before another buy no padlock no it was formerly Giok this sorry, Paramount yes, Paramount Distilleries.
Tanoso
exactly.
Yeah.
Obi, you see, policy. This is how. And Sebi, forgive me, but it's to all of us politicians. Because ni kra ni saying, ekosi etuma. Me as a politician, the only thing that makes me sleep, smile, and be happy is when through me, no, obi timi nye juma me say way. Ni yiri ni mbani ni mami ni busu for the next number of years. Oko boy through nyamiadum obetima show. That's what gives me joy. So I am encouraged. I always challenge government to find very nice ways. This Tanosu where I'm making. How did it open under another government? It's because the government said, okay, ideally, normally, no, be a company. You have to pay taxes on the machinery, which you call the capital equipment or capital. How do you call it? Investment.
Yes.
Way. Obi. It's normal. I say you have to pay taxes because I buy the Yeska corporate tax number. But I buy international. Say you know what? Say obi the factory call ebi a Senegal no. Come be nebe first of all. What can say mean cut Senegal me Ghana? Ye exempting from all taxes on machinery. Ye go ahead exempting from taxes. Ye go ahead and facilitating acquisition of land. Ye go ahead into buy ye when you know obi and all the two. Kasa prekotina say look me will plant to sprinters. But because of the audio banning, me be mwako Tanoso. Na ma akwa na me the machinery at all. Obi. I was in the 7th parliament. The tax exemptions we gave Kasapra is one of the biggest that has ever gone to a private company. I stand to be corrected. But it was hitting almost $100 million. It was big. But where a policy, where you say any policy na the banker, they have to find $25 or $100 million or whatever on that machinery before the machines get here. And be sure no say, oh, mami, yeah, me sprinters. Manufacturing is by ne at least people around town so into obi as for you today it is important say be create opportunity na maka we no in the rivers youth so we need attitude I correct obi current youth na eba no bebre because of social media ni the globalization good life obi wo Ghana on him car me weather driving and want to be shan kwara omo GSS omu kakasa kaso omu ni menenu mi taba mi wo GSS na mi ntida obi but want to be shan kwara kaje say oh Bentley emu ye kama ebia Maserati na Maybach de Mercedes for when you na otinemu oye word dia Corolla de nkwara otimi ka say nkwara ka obi point am ye ni say nipa wa hu Bentley at GSS no ejuma kwa ma no Corolla anka wo say ohun say afa na wa sha onye happy na ushi akwara obi a start ejuma fresh Corolla nebu NG so any asemaba so attitude also is very important and one other thing key ni say me experience kakra me senior dey or experience people me experience kakra che me say there are jobs on the market now but because of attitude some people can't get in look obich opportunity say me per drive ejuma me can say the cheapest job out per organ and met me abo to get easily is driving but obi me need to ono obi can say per driver and driver and say be pen or per confident or per obi obet me can say ko ha ko ya di we me bra or per obi o na ma ohun so kita bag out me can say oh mpacho me so ma or per obi obe som no odin bet na ti say ni papa na ni nua but obi you for abai obi o wa original driver o did do restaurant no koto adia come be for sebet na kanu only the steering china or your driver but because of no ube after 1 week na what prepare na Papa no say oh come and I if na ka say oh me to me biom e bi o driver 1.5 obi o boss akacha say oh ni yiri yare o so nko kolebu nko hwe niama for 1 or 2 days no e was so won ye adwuma nko into the night obi wa that day no dey call after 6 hours o say boss me time e dru the next day friend na o say oh say e call na Judea adwuma no that's the end. But the point I want to make is that making it in life includes sacrifices. Sebi what shed out oh yeah diama obi because if obi soon obi di obi obi oh na look the best they tell you the most expensive capital is social capital obi say me contact ready na ebia manya issue bi na ebia oh na ora offering oh me okoboy obi oh oni mo obi oh any bra for her and no cry that you solve problem I the amount. So the point is say the youth I would like to beg them enye juma bia sabi enye dia wakuma pe ena from day one usabe den ebeka na no pa na me wo sister station na me kan say minim youth bia me page mama no e wo kolebu na letter e buy no so be nya I think 900 cedis every month or see scan so anti on timi nko and I'm say oh massa then na chesa every month no 900 we enu pe na obehu e bi obi beba ni bayari waso no mo aboa na tena kan wo so raji 20 cedi faton sio 2010 5 220 ube wonu ebi adere man esu 900 me be cheche bu sa ansa na oji ejuma no na se odum share no ni aji o se doctor de o kan no chese ebu enu kra so and I say yes that's the way to look at it. Secondly nsu adeba so ma wonu say obi ye youth no be bre no o ka che ni so me ejuma bi o timi bisa say pay me ahin o timi ka che bi say oh yes starting pay 500 on fa on ye bio but obi ejuma bia ye starting small. Me say sebi me SS me ko ye pharmacy ejuma na me apply some person me dispensing technician ye nche me obi ye ji me no enye na ma me ye me na me cleaning pharmacy shop no pharmacy ni pe bia me na me koto me de mu tina ye but I did it for close to 2 years obi me ne ji kra say me so ya no pa but ejuma no didn't come to me in the house. That's my concluding statement. Opportunity will not come and look for you at home, whether it's President Kufuor or any other president. You have to go out there and meet the opportunity. Now, I wrote 10 letters after SSO. My letter was simple. I'm a young man. I finished SHS. I don't want to sit at home. I want to apply my energy to 10 places. Guess what? It's the last 10 that took me from Lejokuku to Sakumono Junction. Pharmacy shop, last one. Or see, we've read your letter. Come, Obi, and I'm in Juma. After tech, first 4 years, and I year bachelor's. Before we did the one for bachelor's medicine and surgery of Anocheno, a break for some 3 months. I went to New York. I was working in a dry cleaner's shop. Obi, come on here. Obi, me see the day I met free hono. One of your customers will catch me boss say, have you seen this young man? Make sure you don't lose him. That day, na me continue play in Africa. But I will catch me say, o buy vacation o be come your ejuma no woman enti ye ka say ye buy afibo ye biago. But the point I want to make is say papa no say not knowing no they've been changing their staff, especially the front person, but all experiencing you know okacha papa say whatever they will do to keep this guy they have to keep him. This is a customer. Obi dry cleaners obi ana me medicine, but every job I find with my hands you know I do it well.
You do it well.
Because I know I can be a dry cleaner. If I not come down, I could have owned that dry cleaner shop. So really, it doesn't matter what you do. There are Obi Oya Cosmetics and only food chain. Obi Oya starting as a security man and a security company. Maybe relative, you know, a driver for car rentals, or you as the managing director for the car rentals. Without or no car moves. So really, no, if you get this mindset that I must just start with something and that it will end well. You become. Now the good thing is hey Nipano, I know what in a day. You see, how much do you I eat normally once a day. I have coffee in the morning, 1 meal. Roasted plantain. And do 10 cities for me. You see, and we must also the youth must learn to live lifestyle that we can manage. Modesty.
Obi. You see the social media pressure.
Obi, you see,
leading to be doing a lot.
Look, but and I make and do 50 cities.
Yeah,
it's decent.
It's a local one, very
local.
decent.
Yes, Shetty. Anything I can't afford when I'm out of my office, I don't go into it. Who do a $1,000 shirt? Why do you want to wear? There are people who wear $5,000 shirts. They belong to a place where they can sustain it.
Yes.
Obi.
Yes.
Omi iPhone me see. Where iPhone is it 7 or 6? And then I cut 6 because when is so far and cut through. Then say me see the lowest one was say 500 Ghana iPhone 5. And on no palm to say me Sasusu.
Okay.
Now I'm sure even keyboard no.
You also say
Into guys so the one no iPhone 6.
Okay.
Obi. Mati say 12 abanu nyama. Onim say mba de omumfa Sandiago. Enti bia o kire bia dom no do so na me koto bia ma yiri.
Now to 12 ni bia ma wife.
12 kwa wakododo.
Oh, okay.
Bia say 10 and 11 obesom sa na me use 6. Or you do 12, that's times 2. But point I mean is Obi, as the youth, let's learn to live a life we can manage.
Very important.
Oh, my comment to that. Say my free parliament. Obi be no can say no way. Even when I entered parliament, I make sure say the life I'm living when I was a doctor.
Yeah.
I can
manage
the
same life. Yeah.
Me Kempiski, I don't eat lunch at Kempiski. Obi.
Even though you can afford.
Obi, just say me. Who invite me corner I don't have a problem.
Okay.
But me lifestyle no doctors are here and I lunch we do a Kempiski. And before me parliamentary me a Ken Japan, I'm a businessman. I'm a meeting, I'm in your Ebia Kempiski ni Marriott ni ama. It's normal for him. Who shake na or di lunch or Kempiski. Who say we MP so be lunch or Kempiski. Who free parliament I be home. Only
you will be exposed.
You'll be exposed because of course me pe cars pa.
Yeah.
One day me driving na me car bi me pe na me say no this will be a very unique car. So me ten year me chase car ni sa me do am go show mo Kendi Japan Bentley flying spare and I'm saying we me pay me am say me also me MP say no but me jitu say in this life manage what you can afford.
Yeah.
Into the youth no you put mucho shoes your decent shoe. If 200 no is no shoe come 500 minimum for chroma or shoe minimum $1,000. Don't go there if you don't spend dollars. Nipa no ebia or any revenue come in dollars. Obi wa ejumo you pay me $10,000 an hour.
Yeah.
Until the fellow can afford to do those things. And Obi, you to know life is cool. It depends on your attitude.
Your attitude.
And also don't be in a hurry to make impressions. Just be decent.
As you see, social media na creating non-existent impressions, no. I too much. Obi a person show off. Obi a person oye me who's a challenge is also there. The pictures.
The meeting wants say see your you for omutimi ko borrow obi shirt.
Laboro.
And obi watch.
The friend laboro.
And no obi. Now what obi watch e ko ti o kwan so a. Obi ko change him saying obi na what shirt here why come yi say be oba na wo kwa hwe no ka say yemfa we ansam pie na ne rase onu su di ko program. Oh ye dey pie. Obi so look life is very calm. It depends on us Obi. Now who manage your life in a way simple Obi and ma obi bia kama. Obi ko to eat 300. Echi o ko say o ko fix problem no obi say yenti so. E do mo ka say ora eat 300. Odeba why didn't you get a Corolla? No Jinao. What's your patch? Opacho saying you don't start with that.
Okotoke was all the mechanical Lloyd for
service. My first car Hyundai. Although it was a sports car, it looks on the outside like a Ferrari, but it was a Hyundai. What talk who passing Yamana 80 Ghana, 70 Ghana, 90 Ghana under control.
Under control.
You see, it is just
control. The most important thing is for you to move.
You go parliament. You see, it meet V8. You can do me a starter. Maybe I may do tell Abiono. Maybe I met him a me to Mitsubishi pickup. Last, even gearbox na Rocky. Let's say it was around 350 Ghana series. Under control. Now all you Bentley flying spare. The senior Ken. Now light we say problem about
and then the fly the car you.
And also for quote mahabo. Unbeaten fleet cost. Now Obi, let's manage what we can.
I get you. Thank you so much, Dr. Bernardo Koboy, Elliot Chen and Kano. Honorable Oklete Telabi, any top up advice, your experience, DBB.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yes. Okoboy.
Okoboy, thank you. I'm saying the are super with you, but we did this today being Youth
International Day. Youth Day. Yes.
The American youth and they said they shouldn't give up. Na you know, let's harness our energies. Who dear one? Who the bay papa? Who the yard the infrastructure? But there's one thing a ɛwɔ Ghana anaasɛ ebibimemu a ama ɛha yɛn ɛwɔ yɛ adwuma. Look, our problem in this country is yebuedu adwuma bi kyɛn bi. And that's the reason why we can't tell people be adwuma bi sɛ because menye. And so no they be say it is our upbringing. Because I remember here elementary school. Those days, you know, Uba middle school living certificate. The first letter we teach about Chiremo, send the application for employment. Now, application for employment, you know, application for employment as a messenger.
Yes, and then the first letter.
And then the first letter
will be actual.
You see, we have learned to work under people.
Colonial master.
That's what I'm saying. I'll bring them because the colonial masters, you know, whatever.
Yeah.
So then the white man. Also, it was all about grammar. And a lot of our people are those days who call UAC manager, so and so. Look, if you go and look at their background, why messenger? Why you say? You know,
on Asempa FM.
They never had opportunity to even own the businesses. You know? Because they were being controlled from somewhere. We see the way aba or no one say or share or yes it no Kasano had not been a player. And it, you know, some companies in Guye, a lot of people who worked with UAC, whatever. How many of them? Nobody can say UAC Guye, GNTC Guye, when Guye, not to me, I am doing this business on my own. No, a lot of them. Look, Tamafu complex. The same thing. There were people I know, they worked there near there. How many of them were, you know, because we share quite a go remuno. And it, you know, Nipa no be we school. Semanya abai eduma. You know, I feel say. But yeah, that's right. Look, me university. I had an opportunity. And if I were that, me was arguing say, may you be on my own. Sorry, me gonna say. And by this time, maybe Anka, you know, I would have been better off. But you see that fear of insecurity, you know, say, oh, someone you safe, you know, how come say beer? Met me a survival. But I always want to make us a bit and maybe I could see out. No, mommy. We into no see at the back and say, ye fear, no, and then no, some of the youth approach our woman because these days, look, the youth are very innovative. Very. Last week I went to a funeral. I was a front place. Me and two ladies. My mom lived. Yeah, but young ladies. Na me want to come. I plenty one. Baku di ofimi krom gra. Na me need to come. Me no want to come. Then before this, they want do baby. I want me because me say they do no more here. No, me see they are on their own. Then I took interest in what, you know, look, one of them told me. Have interest at the time we were picking them. No, not at all. 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 Because it through somebody. Me live to no, because we started. We started. Don't worry. I know where you are going. Anything, you know what? Yes. One of them told me, say, okay. But on no Kasano, on phone could see point. But you soon the mobile phone, no crap.
No, they are deliveries.
Or the deliveries near there. Now, or you trained nurse.
Wow.
You're training or a nurse. Then soon he has not gotten the opportunity to work in a hospital for the past 4 years. But what she's doing now, no.
A man more money.
A man more money. And she's, you know, you see, and the fact say, you better say be a nurse, tons of you know.
There's a drone.
Hygiene, no. I mean, what I say, and then 3 days, we need a colleague back, we didn't come on.
You know, theater.
You didn't come on. Apparently, no. Sometimes you get near your order or parliament, or no, if you know, but we don't know, say, no, anything. Anything, no, the only person me is I'm not, you know, say, me can. first uko University of Ghana na uko sua dia you go to the library sometimes we call library honuma book no ebiana zoology and say botany book and say chemistry book because there was a chemistry book called Vogel. All the experimental methods no
on Asempa FM.
Now uko your mamu assignment now one contema ubekwa ko do no bia kwa fa until sometimes ubekwa ko 5 free chemistry section now dia kwa ko see what archaeology section say be anytime you go there. But today ufa phone here all those experimental methods near there.
Yes.
So I be the me catch my students say this time information is closer to you
very ubiquitous.
Very very close to you. And then you know let's take advantage of that space because I always say
Asempa FM.
the youth of this day Oma dream it is an empty disk maybe 5 gig. Now 5 gig it depends on what you populate the gig that space with and about the outcome because they have a lot of time and space. Adia ube spending time. Adia those days near this slide rule. Your mom, who calculate use slide rule if you know slide rule. I don't know. Those days, we don't know. Yes, those days, your mom was advanced mathematics. Who the slide rule and who multiply, let's say 1,000 and something by whatever. We use slide rule. These days, who found calculator number 5, 2, 3, 4. You spend less time in getting information. And remember here say the rest of the time, you be making good use of it. Now it is when you don't make good use of it, and also you allow other things. Every populate worms, every populate space now. And now you find yourself in the situation we are now. And I just want to advise the youth say, and then the beer any we are now in the year. Emfa at the Papa Emma. Look, who can Casapreco? I remember when Casapreco came to mountains. That by then I was working at the Center for Research Development.
Oh, okay.
When he came there, no, all the idea those days, this BTC Obahonuma Yachichiro. Now you the share we will not catch a faculty in Seminano.
Asempa FM.
He came there and a true discussion also. Obey enemy that now they know a bottle, no atom, and that is the story of Casapreco. And then Center for Scientific Research, they got a lot of money because I didn't catch it up, and the fact that it was coming from
the biggest IGF council.
Yes, that's right. Okay. And the fact that it is coming from an institution like that, so they make an say.
Scientific.
That's the point. It's coming from an institution like this, Emma, we move for a lot of the youth. Even at the center and at the point in time, Grand will be another subsidiary of our scientists. I don't know where that thing I could do here. The embassy say everything we diligently. Now, what do you say me didn't project especially time now one day. A bit me do I could do far. Your choices, yes, let's have choices. Let's have choices, but my move a bit more than. But because one can lead to the other.
That's true.
Because to be Honoma or starting as a cleaner, I was reading a very interesting, story bit today. Somebody I will university. And security or joining a security company CB. And and I'm going to call bank. So something happened at the bank. And I'm saying the manager invited him to help us to pack these things near the and by accident, it so happens BBC and he was able to fix the thing. No, Mr. Zah. We are there, and so I'm a graduate of so and so and so and what. Bring your CV.
You have a job.
He's now a banker. And you see one good 10 leads to another.
Yeah.
You wrote 10 letters, you never gave up. You got the 10th one. You started who started what she has one could say, look, I was telling me microphone my constituency la me translate man obi about say opejuma ubisana o say person me ton earrings. Or person ton shoes. Or person ton, you know, no man. Oh, me person me ton tuma. Now, on the average, you know. No, you know, unim. And no crano pono me. You know what I want to do? Me person me feed politics in moi. Me be a shop no bar. Me wo banchi. Meko me wo win. On a day, I will be a man me toffee, you know. So I don't know. I will cook some of that and eat. That me gonna say.
Yeah.
And me can obviously but I have examples in Accra here. I live in Zanzibar for some time. A lot of there's one person for beside the permission to me money deal. Or starting with something like that. People open other shops. They be shops. Now, the American woman say, "What got to earring now? What got to? Ebia no kwa. Na ya nto earring. Ebia earring ya got to back. Ubefia. When you come home, and most of them, unfortunately, no, they have 1 or 2 children. Ubefia nyumre. Now, that earring we got to 10 cedis. Uba no kwa no pay bianedi. You take that 10 cedis, go and buy food for them. The next time when you go, no, capital and where did you? So they make an answer. You spent that, you know. The next time you go, it's a lot of examples. Must start you did not invest in the right business. Because of your background. Yeah. But I can wait now. Ukoto banchikakra, a broker kra, way near the utong. Say a bar, unko fesika for Sikana udia tong anopano. Say ukwako ubedi. You will not spend that money. You take part of the food near home. And now be in essence, you know, you can take your capital, your interest, you know, in kind. Now they are here, man. Now I say you say capital. What do you say? And it, you know, you must say, and yes, the beauty of the Oyeno and the church of I have a classmate who is at Abusukai. They had him and then some friends on Pesa. We did a year ago, or physics. But he went into spare parts, time electronics, we near the buy. They were the lead persons in it. Because woman, and that is where the education comes into play. Well, and you know, we university, it doesn't mean that a Jumana, you know, it must be. What do you call it?
What you were taught in school.
But it's the university education, you know, gives you for the world. For the world. I mean,
dream
knowledge expose you to how to do things so you can find out more. And it, you know, so we university now we are what friends the touch different.
Very different, that's true.
Oh yeah,
on Asempa FM.
Hairdressing, say you know, manicure, pedicure, manicure. The fact is that you can do it. Yeah. No, yeah, that's that's me. Oh no, me be cry. I see. Yeah, but to so many we say to me call. You know these are things and finally again the issue about jobs and taste the choices. I'm happy. The Europes and the Americas. Yeah. You find people with PhDs working in restaurants. But because their systems are well structured.
Yeah.
Pension social security no matter how small, there's some savings for the future until they do it well. And it, you know, much as we are encouraging the youth to go into these jobs, let's formalize the system because there's a lot of money outside, outside the formal system now. if we really organize them and make them, you know, I mean, really structure them,
yes,
they can create a lot of jobs. A lot of jobs for our people. Seriously. And it's, you know, but you know, the choices we make, what, you know, we want to achieve in the future, not being driven by a lot of things around us. And then we started me boy you display need die, we display the kind of vehicle near day. A lot of them no, and no cry LED, misleading some of them. But to go boy, at that day, yes, selection there. Now saying the I remember I was secondary school. Laboratory, show be shoe.
Interesting.
Yes.
Usha, the most, in fact, the research be into the family of John Edwards, the former.
Yeah, John Edwards was running mate to I think Kerry. Exactly. Yeah, to Kerry.
Yeah.
2004
they
elections.
Come back into their family tree for about 150-200 years, and they did that also for some notorious armed robber, and realized that their family, you know, when they went back to I think the 7th generation, it was a Osofo,
okay,
some priest, and the partner also I think were very strong moral and spiritual foundation. They raised their kids properly disciplined in the fear of God. From that family tree, you know, they produced apparently about 7 or 10 college presidents, city council bosses, Supreme Court judges, those who came from that because of the kind of stability and training they got. This notorious armed robber was from a broken home. Their father was a rapist. Mamenusu was problems. Now, almost says our family no, all the misfits in our society over the generations. Every ho. Point at me is we invest a lot and talk a lot about the fleshy, worldly things. We don't talk about that aspect which tells a child that just as you are working for yourself, your neighbor is also important. You see, that one doesn't come necessarily from classroom. That one comes from the upbringing, which normally is connected to some kind of faith, whether it's Muslim or Islam or Christianity. That one teaches you things that go beyond the physical. And no never more be I can say me work 3, but the first one is third one after Yejuma. If you are going by normal economics and all that,
you will not do that.
And now I so the point I'm making is that we have some values outside the classroom, and it will come from the church. Have a role to play,
church and the home.
The home has a role to play. The community values. So no kind. We must live in a society. When you're a farmer, you should get the same respect as a doctor. You should get the same respect as an MP, because you all are contributing towards the existence of all of us. Why should the one who sells food at the hospital in the night for be ordinary relative why should the fellow be less important than you who are the nurse on the ward? If you are feeling dizzy, where do you go to? You know, so what? And these are things that come in values, not in the syllabus. You see, they come in values. And no bois and my ultimate couplets, when I want to say, and also bois ma sumdwe contentment. You know, obi wanya kola bako ni niaji or comfortable. Obi so wanya kola bako or pe udi area. So that one, it lies in values. And these are some of the things that anything that fache me last you know because say oh and cathedral there and a mosque now where says no. You see, investment into certain activities. Enya values are anuyeshi into obi. We should also look at some of these things. And in conclusion, me manye doctor anka. Ejuma nka me jipa restaurant ejuma.
Sir,
as
restaurant owner,
the mayor juma wo omo serve na kitchen
chef
say no ben
eduane.
So and into obi point am here ni say anka manye de me yang ejuma de obi enya de me brekwa
ejuma bi anka obi
obi, you know. And the reason I'm kasa ni say what you start with is not what you finish
would end with.
No, not at all. If you go into a security company thinking that you still be at the gate till you will be 60 years, you will be at the gate till you will be 60.
The mindset should
but
be
exactly.
You want to become the general manager.
The general manager, you do the recruitment.
Yeah.
When I measure your body posture, like I say, you when I was standing at the gate, I was not standing like this. You go away.
But you see, yes, the there's one thing, and I believe that it's part of the problems we have, the society and the type of jobs that everybody wants to end up with. I think I go on to say, yes, you can. Politicians, we are part of the problem. Because you see, when America says I've created 1 million jobs now, and then Ministry of Energy, Ministry of whatever, and Ministry of whatever, and equity. These are what here. Restaurant, we don't want to classify that. And I say, maybe a construction work be a cost. Now, we far, masons, even laborers. Now you can remember, the early days of Rollins. Now, I can say you created jobs, and I remember that one. It was even the first lady at the program. About the jobs I created when they were doing the Kasajan road. The number of jobs I created, and people were just I don't see a Juma, because the mindset is that and then ministry, clearance, you're a fat teacher, you're a fat this, you're fat this. That is the only way I created jobs. And no. A lot of the time, I buy and they did problems. I'll be up and say, oh, I buy this, I buy. And no be never say about me say no LED I go creating napco near the. So they say. But if we Abayan Nankasa takes the lead in educating the people, let's formalize the system. Who yet more chop back as Sikana Yema, there must be some form of registration. Be now say Honomono. Unya 200 a month. No, another place 600. Another place 400. That's there's a record of Ukada Udi Jumane Piki Bibi Kakaka. I'm telling you, say, look, Ubaba Yejmo Makola, Ufion Mobabe Yejmo, another place. And that is how a month for look, you knew more breach. That is what they do to survive.
Ube Jumabe 4, 5 in a day. It's true.
No, this about it. But because the system is so formalized,
that's true.
And
the government can also track. No,
that's the point. A private sector person, but
no digitization. Under Dr. Bao.
My question back with my Dr. Okoboy. Now, son, no. My main kind messages, Kakra. We say Okoboy 3 times. Also, you are the youth. You inspire us a lot. We are proud of you. Long live Okoboy. Long live the NPP. Long live Ghana. Good evening to Honorable Joseph Kujo, MP for Efia. Benjamin Into Onowo Tema. Farouk Nsuwa Tema. I'll say Honorable Okoboy is such an inspirational speaker. I love his honesty and excellent way of communicating. Obi, the pressure people are buying for us on social media is unbelievable. You see them post refined pictures on their page, but in real life, their hustle past our own. It's time principles of hard work, honesty would pay. Okay, principles of hard work and honesty pays is deliberately imbibed in our youth. Farouk, thank you. As youth, we should cut our coat according to our size. We create unnecessary pressure for ourselves due to the fake things we see on social media. Be determined, focused, hard work and prayerful. Inshallah, you would make it in life. Regards to my good friend Dr. Okoboy, a master planner junior is in Kentampo. Obi, a friend shipping his car at Tema. Okay, from Tema to the US just for maintenance. This is what Dr. Okoboy was talking about. And or the video of the car. Okay, in the car near the share containers, he be 20-footer container be Eco US just for maintenance, not assign Abba. Could you make some 30 years now we can't go US. Let me try.
He can afford. You see,
he can afford. In the panel, a video of car now is in a container more Eco US for maintenance. What? But you
see, Obi, let me just cut it. Mr. Much as woman will search, ability.
Yeah.
We don't fault them. this is their taste. They've worked for it. Yeah, best.
Asempa FM.
Sometimes, you know. And how do you
say mechanics were habit me?
Yes, and friends say, what the car not bahano?
Yes.
If you look at the cost near there, the JD say training one person, or maintaining such a vehicle, no. A big creative,
jobs. But the other thing is, sometimes, no, Bebrina or more cars, no, air custom made.
Yeah.
And it was as a Okoto car, it is a Bentley, Okoto Rolls Royce. You order and it's made for you. Yeah, mostly say, if you maintenance, you would want to take it back to a more a amount. No, who's say a billion? Say a billion,
car. Yes. The principles never can 19 combine the same.
No, but I won't get us those cars. No,
me kuta. But the American say, I am not saying they should allow somebody who is incompetent, no new. But the American say, you see, the reason why, Obi Bekwako, baby, training. Government will spend a lot of money. Oh, you do kwa bridge, is that Oba Udisa Nimbiano Bebahano. Into what I'm just advising.
No, but it's happening. There are people now. There are garages from car because Ukoha cars I was some level now. No wakako training machines for the entire for the cars and for any mechanic be organ and it is about mechanic be the banner will be a problem. One show what it wires. And as I say, those cars who be injured, be anyone who sabefa. It was show the hammer
going forward. No, we can. You see,
but the truth of the matter, so they say, honorable, there are some cars where you are able to afford the car.
Yeah.
Taking it back there for mental,
it is when you look at, you see, you look at
local content.
The local, you see, you can
domestication.
Domestication, certainly, because you see, look here. Seriously speaking, if you go and then Ufa Bentley, the Fiano with the cop, you know,
Germany
or whatever,
US or the UK,
the setup. When we do examination here, they know you can have those things here. You can have them.
Now, what I'm saying, everyone from her. They like us so much. They have garages.
I know a few people like that. I know a few people like that.
Naturally, I like cars. I always want to look at a new car near the. So
but I know that they back question and I'm person busa doc no say. Yes, sometimes you have to live modestly. But also there is a thin line between modesty and a pepe. At what point I'm going to say, acquire the way a pepe. Can we say would be
pepe? They are very simple. Ufa bit Dominic.
Yes.
Sena last no money.
O money ne cano.
Say be a Dominic level way.
Yes.
So nim no share belt back 7 years.
Yes.
Now I say be a daddy no hook no. And sa air pie let me a percent go and turn another old sticker and no pepe.
Okay.
What I say?
Okay.
But say so pepe che say Uyo obi obet me afford. Now I say ushu sebi.
Avi
and yes I repair. Oh, quite me too. Now because say two no. I say be a unjina na umpesu make anon say ma. No, and you pepe, and no, you'll be a one shining your crew who are man paracetamol. And no, dear, a susuma and yes, and yet, but modesty, dear, Sabisa denu decent. The word is decent.
Okay,
decent. I say, Upia, said American, up your beyond, so you are looking
good.
Obi, and what's the ember prices? But this shirt costs about 250 Ghana cedis.
Yes,
this shirt.
Yes,
Obi, there are people who wear similar shirts, same material, but because of brand, it's $1,500.
$1,500.
Now your shops are yet tonwo. Who can follow end up say you price no. But uche ebi free new management. Now what for? Are you what I'm saying? Now if you can't afford use 250 for a shirt, where you say me to ebi the next time after 6 months or 1 year.
Yeah.
So it will be there for a long time.
Yeah.
If you know there are 100 Ghana shirts which are also decent.
Yeah. Very.
Don't say come on. So point in say look decent, but make sure that
it's within your
now you must also know how to take care of your items. Maintenance. Everything you use must be maintained.
Yeah.
Me clothes, me even as late as when I was a doctor, still me wajide say me na met me ashe suyi.
In the one we see.
Yes.
Oh, you wash yourself?
Only. Now, for now, there is soaky.
Okay.
But mama guidelines as to how.
But first, they know what we see.
Yes, even up to time I'm here, hospital physician, because how you handle your clothes determine how long it will be in a good shape. So shirt we say, luckily no, now me brother-in-law I mean tonight no me pair white things. Now me throw white. Say baby, and okay, so the cheapest materials to maintain are white, because you get a good detergent and soak it. Are you feeling now? Ube say all the dia grow, o do nsa so kakra no na why then why hata. Now white no one so share back one. Now drop it.
You drop it.
You don't wear it twice. And he say 10 na wanya every week, every day you can wear one. By next week may see. So the same thing always looks nice. A dream be a me meet me say somewhere. What means a shirt na
shirt na bre.
And na who cross this level na tia I don't say dey prepare. We go across it.
It's a happy birthday to Nana Kofi Osiahene of Oman FM Sport. Thank you and good evening. Let me read some few messages in Afiemra and other issues. No, so this one says, Senior, please wish Charles Akowua to Bono Regional Communications Officer of the NDC a glorious birthday for me. Dallas Ampoma Williams and no anyway about we say oh this is like where do you see what na kasa okay Rolls Royce. Wow. U dream car ni ana. Unyi obeto bi on Rolls Royce. We mu say we know you order na yama. When you go you don't walk into a showroom to buy. Oh yeah you order. And I can Japan dey na wo hu ye na order do. Built to spec.
In a beche
you order now on my amount. Happy International Youth Day to all your listeners, especially Adentan constituent, Adenta Kumi, and Odiwe Abba. Always inspired by Dr. Okoboy and how he's able to communicate in a very clear language and terms. God bless him. And this is from who? Richmond Standard Chartered Bank here in Accra. We say, wow, enjoying Doc. Whatever your hands will find to do it with all diligence. I hope the youth are listening to him. Chief Baine, also I thank God Dr. Okoboy doesn't take propaganda to the theater. Shaking my head, and we a time I'll catch Chief Baine said, Wawari Union and the body. And was saying about say, Obi Oko should stop that. Now Laboro started way back in the late 80s from Form 1 to Form 5. Chief Baine again with this one. We say, Obi, I am impressed with Dr. Okoboy. Please help me get his number. We'll see about that. We say, Obi Special International Youth Day to Honorable Reverend John Intim Fojo, Honorable Francisca Otin Mensa, and Honorable Vincent Eko Asefua. Regards to Dr. Okoboy as well. Master P, all the way from London, and on the way by. We say, Obi, Honorable Okoboy has really communicated to the youth, very educated and informative. Jesus said many times throughout the Gospels of Matthew, Mark, and Luke, quote, he who has ears, let him hear. It's very unfortunate we, the youth, normally fight for recognition by living above that life. Once again, thank you, Okoboy. Guy G, Newark in New Jersey, and on the way, Abba. Jomo Pokwasi Festus also wants to salute you, Dr. Okoboy. We say, after listening to Doc, I can now live and sympathize with my sister Ivy Williams, who is in Ghana from the UK to bury her father-in-law, Kwesi Reynolds, Ewo Agona Odobain. We say, Obi, some of the youth are living on the sweat of their parents. Their parents have made it in life and so can afford anything for them. If you are like me and you look up to how luxurious kids of rich men are living, Obi, you may end up doing things that may not end well for you. Ozana, Cape Coast, captures everything.
Obi, a lot of the organizers, sometimes, they do those things on the blind side of their parents. There are children from very rich homes. they live very decent and modest lives.
Modest lives.
There are those who also want to, be very flamboyant and whatever. A lot of the time, no, not the parents cry.
Because rich men also want to discipline their kids.
Certainly.
Or will live according to a certain budget. Any other. Obi, Doc is really an inspiration to the youth. How I wish that he comes to contest in Ablekuma Central. Anyway, a very special birthday to Hajia Babana of Navrongo NTC. Nana Ekuya Moa Boaten Edie Enono. Okay, thanks to all of you for coming through with your messages and feedback. Nature say you've enjoyed the discussions thus far. Thank you. In the Abashana Yatwas International Youth Day, but there are still some other issues. And for more guardians, I'm hoping to secure the future of your children. There is an amazing opportunity for you. It was CBG, and there is a new account at CBG. Into your friend with CBG First account. CBG First account, a savings account, a life insurance cover for the guardian and the child to secure the child's education and future. It is a savings account opened for minors and provides discipline around saving for your ward's future. Benefits any your free insurance package, and it provides security for your ward's education. Access to e-experience bundle in the ATM card beer. Offer very competitive interest rate as well, and quarterly withdrawals to ensure hassle-free school fee payment. And for further details, no, only CBG Ninkomo, 0303 216 000, 0303 216 000. And as a CBG branch BI Benwo, you can send us an email, info@cbg.com.gh, and you can follow us on all our social media handles. CBG, or see, we stand with you. Melcom, and so say any Melcom supermarket is now bigger and better. And to walk into any Melcom branch, i.e. Melcom supermarket, to have a wide range of product. Melcom is your one-stop supermarket for all your daily needs. Terms and conditions apply. Melcom is where Ghana shops. Very, very, very important. Mark Auto Spare Part. Mark Auto and Spare Parts, and so say. On or off road, the Isuzu D-Max is the ideal choice for a rugged terrain or during your daily rounds. The Isuzu D-Max a legendary ride comfort and performance will ensure that you are up to any task, because amount of that comfort, a sign of that high performance, with our range of models from the 2.5 liters to 3.0 liters turbocharged engines. Mark Autos and Spare Part Ubenya car we are can ato. Now available options no any. Isuzu 3.0L 4x4 automatic. Isuzu 2.5L 4x4 single cabin. Isuzu 2.5L 4x4 double cabin base. And Isuzu 2.5L 4x4 double cabin mid. Isuzu 2.5L 4x4 X Rider. And you X Rider and a special edition. Wow. And there's an attractive 6 to 12 month credit facility available, with loan facilities available at EcoBank. Contact Mark Ghana on 0302 813 919, 0302 813 919, or on Kraiha, or Kumasan Swa 0322 087 938. And Atakwa the phone so 0312 005 385. Yewo Accra, Spintex Road, 105 Spintex Road, adjacent UMB. Kumasan so Dakojum on the Ahonjo Santase stretch. And Atakra de Cape Coast Road, off Twin City Crescent. Mark Auto and Spare Parts, the official distributors of Isuzu pickups and trucks, Ghana. Mark Auto and Spare Parts, Isuzu with you for the long run. In the Ukwa, Isuzu pickups, we tear rubber and a bonus from tear rubber. Oh, honorable. And Auto carrier, I was all about car, Castrol Ghana, at the oils ahodoɔ nti yɛwɔ ATF, brake fluid, radiator coolant, greases, hydraulic oils, ne nyinaa Castrol, Ghana ɛwɔ bi. Nso yɛ oils ne boɔ F, yɛ lubricants ne boɔ F for papa. Oko Melcom shops, oko game shops, Allied filling stations, and a Maxon filling station ne nyinaa wobɛnya bi wɔ hɔ itimi ato. And if 0552 557208 Castrol, also it's more than just oil, it's liquid engineering. In my run off here, the other issues agree and up so honorable located Taylor be minority are raising issues.
Yeah.
Must say assembly efa temamoto way no.
Yeah, very well. That's it. And say the eco scene say maybe by na aban say well who say na hoden I would be basically the road, no?
Yes.
Our form. And then, you know, Yama
Asempa FM.
The friend PPP. I am Humra, our parliament, you know. Yam free companies out. One more Musika. One the Baba Shim. Na one Mujiska, Eddie Triaka. After a number, you know, for a period. Now, road na by abaye yendia.
Okay.
Obviously build, operate, and transfer. 1 year san companies be buy. But I'm say at the end of the day, no, it be any honoma otimidi or see yo. Including a company a buying say on person call because the expertise near identity.
Yeah.
Yemfa adwuma yi ma no ono so ka wono mbae wantimi
say on Asempa FM
enye sika no bia mbaye na de ye kan say enne wi ase yem we wu China for road won kwan bibrebi a wo ye oha no nyina no enye say ye pese be ma Chinese for ba be ye kwan no na wo the Chinese prisoners na de ba be ye adwuma wa hawo but the fact is say ye condition bia wo de attach sa loan na ye de ma wo no enti say enne no China for ba be ye mu ekwan ye wa ni mo na say Chinese for na be ma ye loan na won be pese umu be ma Chinese contractor say na be at least won so be keep us as can be or mo or they will create some jobs for their people. Sorry make an say and you know yes ana ya nya obi ama na ma me ye no aban sisi no ubeka NDC address no establish Ghana Infrastructure Fund. Aban tues kabinum de gum ye de petroleum scan bi egum
Asempa FM
ye want ye create fund bi a ebeboa ye infrastructure generally roads ni we ni ade highways ni ade enenu aban ankasa ene ekwa akopɛ sika no in the air can say aban ankasa ekopɛ sika no dia ti said dia na other countries here no when the British look who call tema tema a flower road no
okay
company a British company and a no because yes you just carry free honor the Germans know the same thing friends say Chinese for no and it is that's a woman to me first kind of man na say ye ankasa ye de ahoɔden ye de sika ye de ahoɔden ekwa akɔgi sika de a
Asempa
FM ye nso ye mfa local contractors na wɔn so wɔn nye na bibia meti eye me na kakra ne say deputy minister ne say contractor bia ni Ghana hanom a obetimi aye sa adwuma no na me say kafra ene de o kasa no wan kan yie
the Temamoto
SEC state what is it those days Kwame Nkrumah that is it SEC and answer state construction company.
Oh okay.
And not PWD. I mean one of them. So they make an answer. And yes I road no. You know but that notwithstanding. And never be an India could do no. Be any one more.
FM.
Open say you Ghana Hanmo Ghana for me. And don't you say Ghana for never any change, but Ghana need bet me I go hide, bet me I go fat. You know, say there are some some expertise be only one hide the panel. Emma na ba be ye. Na ye Ghana company na ye. And no be boa ma ye retain sikana ye kwakobosi ya kwakobono ye retain bi wa hano e dey create more and I say the capacity of our companies our contractors it you know 570 million you can put you know about 4 or 5 companies together no my yes ejumai so they make an you can put them a them pan or see overhead interchanges ni we know about how sophisticated are those things are you see even the recent overhead there we say no the consultants near Ghanaian so
okay poko said
yes highways for na no hwe adwuma no so they make an
as the consultant
yeah the consultant yes
but not the contractor
but them you see say who consultant who nim the contractor no be no ntimi kan wase the difference is say we no nim adwuma no onim say we na say we say by bia oni machinery a we be adwuma no ana so enye na adwuma no so be yes ade no and if we have consultants a we guide and so we supervise adwuma edema foreign companies a we be ya hanom they should be able to supervise your local ones no because see once upon a time now asphalt cry you need machines or hand and then here uko akra hanum nyina local contractors no mu ya asphalt ni ade ade twemu no anything yes see say aban
through Ghana infrastructure investment fund no
and Ecopes Cadia it must come from local contractors and the issue about the fact that we contract no we just sign you raise the issue of
parliamentary approval
no we say contract you not sign we unya sign but you have signed the commercial agreement ama nipa no we flow to on we flow to the pesika and it's our company no
omo de pesca dia be den
omo de pesca
e dia den
so omo nya contract you don't want people to support them omo nya contract e wo Ghana hanom
na say nya omo musika na omo de be
e na make na
Sempa FM
omo nya sa hodin no e de pesca outside so they make na because we have entered into contract with them no omo present omo to the outside world say they have gotten this contract
so
already
so they need money for what? Because the contract in question will be funded by us.
Listen, if what was it will be funded by us. But the fact says
Sempa FM
one company no such a huge contract no. There are people can invest into that company. Oh, did make an to say Uber list two company here.
So on list stock exchange
shares up near that's what they are doing because we have entered into this agreement with them. Agreement that I can say consummate. I mean final parliament has not approved near the but the bottom line is say yes mumfa musikamra 23 of you mumfa musikamra me no mo adua ma na ye ankasa se ye kwa pay sika so the make
we have no business dealing with foreign companies.
That's the point. And two, the other things are what is the experience being on Modeba? Omo ka say no why you men why Ghana hada.
No, say deputy minister they can so on here.
What you do two, let's say see about the background they have a very bad experience in Malawi.
Hey.
I'm telling you, and that's the reason why we are suspecting. The reason why Abanwe so much look, they have a history of influencing, paying bribes to the president of Malawi, to institutions in Malawi, and they have it is if they are holding on to where they are, then we must suspect they have succeeded in bribing their way because we don't see why that should be done. Why did you sign the contract? Keep why? When we company, how does it look like?
Yeah, but what comes to parliament always, the financial agreement itself, about parliament.
Yes.
Because about parliament, we approve finance new year.
Yeah.
You don't also approve the contractor who will do the work, do you?
Especially if it is, listen, there are two things.
Okay.
Say, would they, let's say, to say on you know that the Chinese Chinese for no and we do musika ba.
Yes.
So the we do musika ba. We approve everything.
Ekusi saying
on scan about no contractor.
Very well. Hey. We no the ye na ekwa ko piscan.
Yes.
It's a juma na ye de ba be man no. So the make na say juma na ye ba be man must be approved. We are going for the loan from wherever. That will also have to come to parliament. Loan na ye kwa ko must come to parliament. So the make na say
yes.
Ekoji loan we are. And now the fact that we are entering into another agreement with another company that is Amanonino must also come to parliament. I mean, Supreme Court ruling be brave. The Ama way you may watch in LB. I saw photo, the same thing. One more year, Jumano crowd, they even did the job. But obviously, once I'm parliamentary approval and null and void, anything they must come to parliament.
Yeah,
and son, Obenya who coin, I could baby, I can say, or yes, I do make cry, I'm a Ghana. Otherwise, all flouty.
Yeah, but I think the Supreme Court way no said. Even after the loan agreement, no,
very well.
The EPC should also now come to parliament.
So there's anything without that, you need a UBI. It is almost can say, then Ubisano question, must sign the contract. Yes, one sign. Why I want the Ben on
Asempa FM.
So there's when we are near the judgment debts, they are the bar. Anything the air can say, maybe the end say, and then say si for usika bro went me afamba na ya yakwa ko bobo si adia. Let's look at local contractors. A lot of the time the component of the scanner yakwa ko fani nyina ibu ono di obu ono kra scanner ano de wakọ machines ni ade diaba. We can use that the money scanner loans no be near the wakọ machine to augment whatever they have over here. Now we dey here juma no e be create job. It will also help in building their capacity. And that's how that is the way to go. Okay,
but you believe the nature and the scope of works you can local contractors can do it.
I mean, and I mean, say, what are they? I mean, what is so special about 3 lane, 6 lane, asphaltic road? What is so special about it? They are doing concrete and asphaltic too.
Yeah. From after the 19-kilometer motorway,
that's right. Yeah.
The rest now aka to say Apenkwa that one will be asphalt. But they are coming concrete.
But the American say, I stand to be corrected. The original, company how constructed,
Tema motorway.
I mean, I stand to be corrected though. But I know say a local, entity in the city.
Asempa.
I cannot remember.
You see, I mean, we want to see that thing. We want to see the motorway reconstructed. We want to see it done. But let's do it. Then you're beneficial to us. Because you can't say Jumani. We are now Chinese rubber. No one or friend say prisoners. Nobody want to many are jobs. If you want they don't go back. Matis ebinu chikoko ni adi nyina ha. Yeah, but all those said are loans are more than they man. Very well.
So they bring their
people. After we want to go and give it to
another South African.
And one more bar. Because I'm bringing this person because the person or some specific expertise maybe one for say they will not get here. They don't to be put. Oh, you can question it because company employ such a person in services or maybe more. Maybe ground
with your experience in the system, no?
Yeah.
Has that been the standard practice? Project Ghana by government of Ghana is secure loan directly. Erase fund any the Ghanaian company.
Not necessarily. And then you build it, Nancy approve some schedule because these all African games are a basso.
Yeah.
We share contractors on MBC when you local contractors. Here they raise this scam.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay.
Local contractors no MBC dying. One MBC. Are dying, acquiring, there have been instances of schedule to fee outside air bar. local ones na here them.
Okay.
But the every person can say, we should look at the experience within the railway sector. For time Ghana, you start to use rail transport. Say we've not been able to develop the capacity. Say bia aban ko jisike bia nanka bia yan kasa railway no dey say ya construct and ya ye de ekosu to say they say ye rails ya Indian for yi and e ba be no creating jobs for them do wo no mdi sika na ba ni ade nyina so they and it
Asempa FM
ye be ye there near build this capacity if we don't allow the people to have hands on training e wo juma no so let's do that.
Okay.
Say Sikano, the Fiabonti ba now Bruni say meme dear and it me use me contractor. Now we can't do
that's a different conversation.
Let's allow that one to go. Okay. But then where we are going to raise the money, and the best let's give the opportunity to the local contractors now to build their capacity.
Okay. Because I was wondering, since I will share cocoa syndicated loans.
Yes.
Yes. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah. And by that logic, meaning say all cocoa route contracts should go to local contractors.
Well, if unim say, you see, you see, let me tell you something. You see, you can't maybe a crabber. We're talking about industrialization. I have a, no industrialization. No industrialization. That is
Asempa FM.
The point is, and then we are talking about, Ghana getting industrialized.
On Asempa FM.
It will come out of from a lot of research and development. India, China. Baby, quite almost fast so and never more baby or more. And ye be the Chinese company, a buy a man one day.
Yes.
A support so they make an answer. In terms of research, a buy and Kasan take it upon itself to even sell the product to other countries. And it say and ne ye loans. Now you see ye the beto cocoa near the roots near there. We shouldn't forget, say, we can also use the same leg, near the improve in terms of their building capacity of the rural sector.
The rural sector.
So, and it might be a conscious effort by the government.
Okay, Mate.
Now we're deciding, but you see, say then where is our independence? Where is Ghana? The issue about Ghana beyond 8. So the big answer. So we need to build our capacity here. Now Abayan Kasan find who same. Now only the way. Instead of Abayan, Obeka contra Obeka Obi Awaba Abe throw exam no we ewa hanu. Now so train maybe pet Ejumama ama no ewa hanu by force. No.
Maminti official government spokesperson Dr. Bernardo Koboy. Doc.
Aha. Unse parliament accord recess. Na issues we bring me nwa mo raise here no. Nze time omo wo business no omo da so yema omo call recess no omo nim say omo fa jantum kakra and the issues anka was omo raise na yanka one sembo committee me ba we small jobs before they make one and they say I call recess na one fa we mo amba metuja na from now to October omo back no say she cause enti o master enti ensu enche ehudin na obi missing a one yetuano kasebi yentuano kase onko tena parliament keke ye opposition no ye members nso yetu omuka ye minority no they have a role that they play at the committee level ministry before omu programs ni omu transactions be cut to the fat through committee ahwemu na omu in fact Osesibe Dr. Osesibe former
finance committee chairman new job in South MP.
Yes, and so I'm senior of prefect.
Oh, okay.
And o mami eba finance committee besuya ne makakakra. Now one of the things I mean is Obi finance committee people don't know a lot of agreements are finally government ejuma from all say finance committee agree every sector say ska facility as moment finance committee outcome now say aban finally adopted the ejuma no most of the time it wasn't so time I buy through finance committee o amendments changes and suggestions free both sides majority members critical input sometimes create me free or no sebi or no chairman no all the thing is coming from our own side. I can say, oh, minister, maybe we can do it. So point I mean say, well in place and absolutely in order for them to be finding ways. I don't remember out in a perfect manner. Remember out I obey all the rules. And company so chinebe say, oh, anka a step you anka say first. I'm first in the amadi when you know I asem. Into omuka say parliamentary approval. On say sebi me former boss. Ono abaji mamenu oko parliament omuka say sanka was for parliament oji to mu say anka parliamentary approval no is the best way because the company is not incorporated here. Sebi sometimes you know engagement you know is part of the job in parliament. So me no the me can say all the procedures and I was saying through no we share the commentary from Ministry of Rosa omu kasa che say they've not gotten to the place where it's done and dusted. I juma no kan say nipa no kwa koye I beka say a step bia is not yet. Now, Obi, for me, no procedural requirements, is very important. So, Sebio sometimes, opposition. Sometimes, me here add the oil and say, and yes, na koye balado menu diano, and yes, I shed our bow, but person won't you the oil you mekono, and crown of you mekono, balado menu is almost you meko form. Mekono shishi won but so omo kakra mama say jai why we here constati we na we na nkura no bi catch mama say mekono nya de o na ye bre adenti na o si enwin za na o ka say move say ni denti na e ya bro enti na ye wa no abro pa and sometimes opposition there are times they raise things are genuinely they've cited bibia issue it must be corrected sometimes into you can because or the jai go with chia since I don't have all the details, all I'll say is that let's give the benefit of the doubt. Say really no, they've cited a stepper, it has not been fulfilled. Let's do the checklist. Yeah. We should do the checklist and make sure that everything that must be
every box that must be ticked,
take it. Now the second one says capacity is important. Obi, the Yan said, but I understand and appreciate local content. The Ministry of Finance, I think, either Ministry of Finance or they have a local content secretariat where Jumabianu Yepequoya, Yebema Ghana Foswa not technology transfer, any wealth retention, Ebiabaha. So, capacity is the first thing. Say concrete, road, and Kuma time. Obi Akase still no, a Sevi, although why spano, still or to miss Muka. So, one nipa or skilled in Ghana has said minimum number of people are locally contractors incorporated on my year a concrete roads. But BBI building the capacity. I'm not saying they should not. They can also learn. We share GMPC. One of the me read your mood documents. One of the things almost say Eka Energy or a lot of experience in deep water drilling. And the GMPC is supposed to agreement is supposed to make sure there's transfer. So na skill no. Yeah. So me all I'll say is that whatever contractor ever sign, we should find a role for Ghanaians. Sometimes subcontractors who share value chain now, who quantify Juma subcontractors. It can even be more than a main contractor. Of course. Nipa or supply concrete, Nipa or year design, Nipa. There are a lot of things Ghanaians can get involved. But the main issue minority no can I appreciate where they are coming from, Obi. Mechanic say, Obi Aja to me say, motorway will potential to repay itself if you do it. Yeah. So I think based on the back of Enono and Amia Miwofa, Rose Minister, Amakwata, and any team, Atina say I hear the design and on my arrangement my bed in Nunko yet say a biner was say Chichina Ebia say $500 million on one copy. But if you have, let's say, company B, I'll bet my year facility arrangement. Say on the bar, Ebia, even from the inflows, revenues generating, it can be paying off Kakakra. I think what the minority is saying is that if the contractors have not been able to get the funding which we are used to. Normally, no, all the funding, but their EPC, I mean, it's closed. It's like a circuit. You bring the money, come and do it. Later, then you are paid through. But if you are not giving us the money, then you can't enjoy that privilege or situation or discover or you know.
Yeah.
So Obi, ehono, you can say enko local contractors are unkamboni, but we have to be careful. Ehono, you can make the claim say one team and first scan and banning. And say any automatic BM. And say so yeah assessment now. Yeah BM. If a local company can match your skills, they should be able to be in contention. So I think that is the way to approach it. That once you are not bringing us the money, those privileges are not there. And that, but it is also possible say Nipana and first scan number. But in terms of offer our year, say we are talking value for money.
Yeah.
Offer our year. Expertise or any in the background, maybe on the table or a best match.
But the other thing is when they say the initial agreement with the company is sole source though.
No, but that's why Enami can say if the situation was that they were supposed to bring us the money, because what I know, my small experience in the 7th Parliament,
yes, most
of the time say company no offer scanu bar. Ubewona o my all this scanu ma no ono ani krom no mo ye adwuma no because sebi obi ntimi mfa sika ma o na o mfa adwuma no ko ma obi fifro. But point omo ye America say I don't have all the facts, but the point I'm making is that if really it is so say they are not bringing the money like we have in other cases, you know, then that privilege of solely having the contract for yourself, because we assume you bring the money, then that one is no more. That's what I say.
Yeah.
So really, no, what they are saying, many point in say, if really the people could not offer the money as they promise, no, now Abani say, Sebi, I was saying here, then sir privilege no more enjoy, no, maybe the ministry can consider and relook. But the most important point I mean say is about capacity to deliver. If scanner na odiba, now I say well, capacity now one, obi Ghana or watching wa, obi. Say we are not tied, our hands are not tied.
Of course.
But if you had bought the money, we will not look at those people who can do it in Ghana here. So I think, you know, on a normal day, my experience in Parliament shows that these discussions can happen at the committee level, roads and transport committee.
Transport committee. When
they ask Minister me of Umbra, he will go, and then they can go through all these things. So I said, I'm catch on you call recess. We opportunity be a share. I'm omudi oman soja kakra ama ewi amo ayeshi. Me friend ba kukura bisa ni say na mo se am ko fie mo sa ba back. Me ti se mo opale o si dey bi na se fie dey hwizi ndi be soja. Ejebi eja na ngrofo no so. Na at the end no my concluding remarks say Obi, we all want the motorway to be built. We all agree that there is great potential for the motorway to pay whichever money we invest back within the shortest possible time and even give us revenues. We all agree to say when you open highways, they are able to open the economy, stimulate economic activity. In fact, minimum hinibi or me papa me fan in the agro, me bonidi. But a sheer Malaysian ambassador some years ago no and say, how did Malaysia do it? The man mentioned only one thing. He said connect your busy urban centers to rural areas with highways. The guy in the village will not come and rent and worry you in the city.
Yeah.
He knows that within 40-30 minutes, he can access the city and go back. Secondly, the goods, the produce from the village will not get rotten. It will come to the city. So highways themselves, look at from here to Dowenya Road, you know, Obi, so many potential projects. Shadan facilities, wow, school central, Obi, but who call those areas? Obi, I was say 1, 2, 3 a.m. those places, you know, and easy. Okay. So the point is that once you open up those places, and my economic activity costs, the American say, we are all in more parliament, Omoka, Omojumani say, Omonshana Bibianya Kama, me wafa, and any team, they should check the box. Now you make sure say, take it Bibia. Now, Ochina say, Adipa, near Jimpa, Ako Pio Jumemwa. Obi nkofa adi ba ko anyanye na enu ma bibia ma eti se de asay obi macho what I say but na America no opposition de otimi ma wade a oboa sometimes balado menu wa sheda no the ja esibichi ba me hwa ene aye youth day no e was say nkoraye mbu pejifo enti mefa ni say ni wo fa
genuine
we say genuine
the fact is
the main point is that condition say
the condition
when countries bring us money they give us the contractors. So if really
we are going to raise
now those people are not bringing the
they have not been able to
maybe they can now
they have not been able to do it
as the best in terms of value for money
and everything,
expertise and everything. They can end up having
but what I'm saying is that for you to say or no on train out of the now you know what sign agreement the wait till we mobilize money and then give you that job now the question is what is so special about them Obeka say what is so special and I say Juma no ma be what is so special about Juma no ma be and ne kra no spacecraft kra no because of technology transfer obi a build be everybody is going to space. It's a commercial. Pay 45 million and you take you there and then you come. And there is nothing under the sun. Provided say the money is available, we can get people to do it. And your road construction. Look, concrete roads. Wako nanzai. Wako bepo no so nanzai.
Yes.
Wako bepo na I mean concrete na we one there. Oh. Anything you best uko even go ba mi krom hono no a lot of people are on be brave concrete roads there and you new to get contractors no huge one like this but a lot of the time no hilly areas no if you on 10 50 meters and whatever and they do it perfectly and they can do it ahanu so nye baby nye bibia woman to me when you come to even what do you call it interchanges and whatever I mean who says the Ghanaian contractors cannot do it
but
what is so special what is special about it we have the consultant here very very important the consultant is it's very important
no but my point is I will share in the Tisao loan free AFDB which is a development bank
very well
and yet state media no like as China for AFDB almost a contractor.
They not really.
Yes, they will not.
Sometimes, sometimes, it depends. You see, it depends. Sometimes when the project is initiated by them, so they say, pre-qualified contractors.
Okay.
The EU does yes. The EU, like World Bank, for instance, there are certain projects.
Bank specific and project specific depending on the source of the money. Because some banks even receive funds from certain agencies to use for particular purposes. And depending on where the money is coming from, they can tell that these are the pre-qualified contractors when you want to access this money. So
and we can also do it. Once we are going to the market to look for the money now. We can also do it. But the question is that the out of the 23, what informed the choice now? Because the man came here, company na bahano, the entity buy the entity BD
when that's a very important and legitimate point. Minister said, "Sa company on my road be Ghana had that." And I said, "Debbie," and I think based on them, more access say almost scale. No, this expert to be
I need to say no. Look, but
again,
no, you see, we also have. The point
is, there is a message from Abdul Malik on the parliamentary approval bit. Now, say, Obi, have you cited a copy of the signed contract? What are the conditions precedent in the contract relative to its effectiveness? If parliamentary approval is stated as a condition precedent for the effectiveness of the contract, then nothing unusual or unconstitutional has happened. A signed contract or agreement would not become effective until parliamentary approval kicks in, if that is a condition precedent stated in the contract.
You see, we should stop deceiving ourselves with some of these things.
Let
me tell you. You see, then what is the use What I mean, in essence, what is the use of parliamentary approval? So we should just rubber stamp.
No,
so supposing
you
see, supposing say government has gone ahead.
Yes.
You signed contract with this company, right? We have assured them. You are waiting for parliamentary approval. This is where a lot of the time, no, among focus say parliament they rubber stamp. A rubber stamp. If you have to give it to the person, then you come and then get approval.
Yeah.
Then there's no need even bringing it to parliament.
Now,
go ahead and do it. If it is just a formality.
But the other thing,
because the essence of parliament is to oversight, all that is going on.
Yeah, but the mere fact say Omunindi Pana sign initial contract, in which contract the state will say this contract will become effective after parliamentary approval. And no chance say tie parliament can say can't you reject?
Please,
can't you?
Ekusi say on Asempa
FM. Let us not pretend. We know we are in a country. We are running a
majoritarian system. Yeah.
And nobody in the majority will have the balls to even rise against any contract president member.
You think so?
They can't do it. It has never happened before. Tell me one happened. Tell me one happened.
But some of them voted for an opposition speaker to become speaker of parliament.
That is another story altogether. I don't know what happened that day. But I'm telling you, I'm on for person may bought him anyway. No,
Asempa FM.
Even if you are shown now, the show Amukra, Emianukra, because it's okay, it's all right, it's all right.
Yeah, some international. Yeah, that's it.
By the ball,
Honorable Clitete, thank you. Honorable Bernard Okoboy, thank you.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, Pong.
Oh, sorry.
Now, always opposition there. You can't finish with the opposition. You have your.
The point is that the American will have been most simultaneous possible.
You have legitimate.
Very well.
Ekusi say on Asempa FM.
Sebi, MPs, we are paid to do a job.
Of course.
Yeah.
And the job involves scrutiny and all that.
Yeah.
And I believe the Rose Committee, even although they are
has not been brought to parliament yet.
Exactly.
Am I?
I mean, until which is a balado kakra.
Balado, we have started documents.
But the committee, even when it's not come to parliament, they have an oversight over the ministry.
Yeah.
So once these issues have come up, they can call the minister and then have an interaction and get more info. Sometimes people are having disagreements because they are not on the same page.
Yeah.
And it has to do with information
communication and information.
The evaluation reports and say, oh, really? No, there's a long way to go.
Exactly.
But you still must get information.
And we don't have any experience. I mean, anything to point to in this country.
Yeah.
Say, we and we.
Yeah.
And as I see near site, what they've done outside, we have information that.
But you see, we must get to the place where, say, raising points are. We are raising points out of love for Ghana. We are raising points not to just raise the points and go away, but to follow up so that we achieve the purpose.
The purpose.
Now, if really it is the case that a box is about to go unticked, the way to unravel and solve it now is to make sure that the Roads and Transport Committee goes ahead to meet with
the ministry.
So those are, let's ask for those concrete steps. And just leave
it. The other thing too is that, you see, look, Parliament must also, be assertive.
No, if you're in opposition, that's how it's supposed to be.
Oh no! You see, look, the executive have, executive.
Yeah, I get
we have allowed them to go away with a lot of things.
Yeah.
Now, MYA. You see, and then because look, the most vulnerable arm of government, and then Parliament, and then the president, minister, now the MP, now the judge, because of some of these things, we are growing. We are growing. And then we are 137.
94.7
not the
Asempa FM, Sunni.
No, you are not. We are grown.